Yesterday's cake and today's tart bottom. Welcome back to our channel. Yesterday we made an old Norwegian classic, and today, as promised, I'm gonna give you my tart bottom recipe. In this video, I'm using a food processor, but don't worry, you can do this recipe perfectly by hand also. I have did myself that many times before. Start by adding flour, powdered sugar, and butter into a food processor or your bowl. Mix them all together. Don't worry if it looks a little powdery. What's up next is going to fix that. Add in your egg and let the food processor do its magic. And for you who don't have a food processor, your hands will be your magic in your case. When it's done, it should look a little something like this. As you can see, I had a little flour and powdered sugar inside my food processor that did not merge with the dough, so I did the rest by hand. And to the last, wrap it up in plastic and let it rest inside your refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours before it's ready to be used, or the best option, overnight. This tart bottom can be used to many things, so give this recipe a try, be experimental. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in another video tomorrow. Bye!